Why is my Revolut eSIM not working? The world of technology has revolutionized the way we travel, and eSIMs have become an integral part of this transformation. Revolut, a leading financial technology company, offers eSIMs as a convenient and cost-effective solution for staying connected while abroad. However, even with the best technology, issues can arise. If your Revolut eSIM isn't working, here are some common troubleshooting steps to try. First and foremost, ensure you've installed the eSIM correctly. Refer to your device's manual or Revolut's instructions for specific guidance. A small oversight in the installation process can prevent your eSIM from functioning properly. Secondly, verify that your eSIM plan is activated within the Revolut app. If you're unsure, try reactivating it or contact Revolut's customer support for assistance. An inactive plan is a common reason for eSIM malfunctions. Thirdly, check if you're in an area with coverage for the network provider associated with your Revolut eSIM. Revolut's coverage map can help you determine if you're in a service area. If not, you may need to find a Wi-Fi connection or switch to a different network. Fourthly, ensure your data plan is active and has sufficient data. You can check your data balance within the Revolut app. An exhausted data plan will prevent you from using your eSIM. Fifthly, verify that your device is compatible with eSIM technology. Not all devices support eSIMs, so it's essential to check your device's specifications. Sixthly, for some devices, you might need to manually configure the access point name APN settings for your Revolut eSIM. Refer to Revolut's support page or contact them for specific instructions. Finally, if you've tried these troubleshooting steps and your eSIM still isn't working, there might be temporary technical issues with Revolut's service. Check Revolut's social media or website for any service updates or known issues. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it's best to contact Revolut's customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance based on your device and the issue you're experiencing. Remember, troubleshooting eSIM issues can be frustrating, but by following these steps and seeking help from Revolut's customer support, you'll be well on your way to resolving the problem and enjoying the benefits of a seamless eSIM experience.